Hello, I'm Kirsten, and this is my IPP for Business Law and Ethics. I will be presenting on copyright law. What is copyright law? Copyright law is the author's legal right to prohibit others from copying their work. Why is this important? Authors don't want others to profit from their work when they did all the work. Copyright law first appeared in 1476, the same year the printing press came out. The printing press made it easier for stores and publishers, but made it a bit harder for authors because others could be selling their work in mass quantities. Copyright law came about to allow authors to put a stop to others using their writings without their permission. In the beginning, books and other forms of writing were the only thing protected under copyright law. As time has gone by, copyright law also covers several other tangible forms of expression, such as movies, music, recordings, pictures, and more. Copyright law does not cover non-tangible forms of expression, which are speeches that aren't recorded in any way or just ideas that you share with friends. As time goes on and more tangible expression forms are made, the law will be adapted so they are also covered under copyright law. Copyright law has been adapted several times over the years, and not just to add other forms of tangible expressions to protect them. The amount of time an author's work has copyright protection has also changed. Before 1950, the protection only lasted 75 years max for an author's work. Between 1950 and 1977, the protection lasted 56 years max. In 1978, protection lasted the lifetime of the author plus 50 years. Previous protection years by 20 years, making it the author's lifetime plus 70 years. But protection under copyright law has to come to an end at some point. When this happens, the author's work becomes part of the public domain. Works found in the public domain do not need to have the author's permission to use their work. This does not mean that you can just take credit for the author's work, because that would be plagiarism. But what can a person do if they want to use another person's work for some reason, but can't wait for the work to fall into public domain? Well, you can try to get the author's permission, which can be hard because of distance and death. Or you can use fair use, which is quoting small parts of other people's materials that are copyrighted for educational and critical reasons. Make sure you give the author credit. And be sure to use your own words and not just take everything that what another person says. But what will happen if you violate copyright law? Well, police aren't going to be banging down your door, but if the author discovers that their work has been used without their permission, they can file a lawsuit. But Nothing too extreme will happen.